Guys, have you ever wished for a speaker that combines style, sound, quality, and smart features? Well, you're in for a treat today. So you probably think I'm talking about Sonos, right? Well, wrong. We are actually taking a look at this. This is the MS50A smart wireless speaker from Edifier. And I'll tell you now, this isn't just any speaker. It's actually a bit of a game changer in home audio. So stick around while we explore what makes this speaker stand out from the rest. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the MS50A smart speaker from Edifier. Now, if you don't know Edifier, well, they make a ton of audio tech from earbuds, headphones and speakers to suit all tastes. So whether you're a commuter, audiophile or gamer, they've got something for you. Now, before we get into it guys, Edifier sent me this MS50A smart wireless speaker to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got a power cable. Yes, of course, this bad boy needs juicing up. Then we've got some paperwork, instructions, etc. And then guys, we've got the speaker itself. And I've got to say, this is pretty heavy. It's got some heft to it. It's got some touch controls on the top. It's got a removable speaker grill. And you know what? It's nice. I mean, it's really nice. Looking at the design guys, you know, you can see this all wooden cabinet with this walnut texture. Now it's not real walnut, but you know what? It's pretty nice as far as build quality goes. And actually it's quite heavy as well, but it's simple, sleek. And you know what? It's perfect for any modern home, but don't let its classic looks fool you. This speaker is packed with cutting edge technology. I mean, this MS50A supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, and this means you've got options of how you want to play your music. Now, setting up the Wi-Fi connection is a breeze. Open up the Edifier Home app, a few taps on your phone and you're good to go. And actually, that's the same as if you want to set it up for Bluetooth, but there are some advantages to setting this up on your Wi-Fi network. But guys, that's not all. This speaker is compatible with Apple AirPlay, Amazon Alexa, I'm not going to say it because the other one will start kicking off, Tidal Connect and Spotify Connect. You can stream music directly from your iPhone, iPad or Mac using AirPlay, or if you want, you can just use Bluetooth. And guys, if you've got multiple MS50A speakers, you can group them together for multi-room playback or even to act as a stereo system. I mean, that is pretty cool. Imagine walking from room to room with your music following you seamlessly. Yeah, it's nice. And actually guys, I know, you know, all you Sonos lovers out there will say, well, you know, we can do this with Sonos and all the rest of it. I've got a Sonos One, which, you know, yeah, you can do that. You can go from room to room and all the rest of it. But I've got to say, this bad boy sounds better than the Sonos. It really does. And guys, if you're an Alexa user, you're in luck because the MS50A works with all of your Alexa enabled devices. You can control your music playback with voice commands and, you know, that's pretty cool. And guys, the MS50A doesn't just look good, it sounds amazing too. The drivers are carefully tuned to deliver both booming bass and crisp treble, and it does. It also uses a DSP digital circuit and professional audio processing ICs. I mean, this means that every detail of the sound is finely controlled. You're getting high quality listening, whether you're into classical, rock or hip hop, whatever it is. This bad boy sounds good. And guys, you might be wondering about the controls, right? So this MS50A features a simple touch panel with a solid center button, and that enables you to adjust volume, switch songs, play or pause your music with just a few taps. It's intuitive and easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. And guys, unlike that Sonos, there's something interesting about the MS50A. It doesn't have a built-in microphone, which is great news for those concerned about privacy. You can enjoy all of the smart features without worrying about being listened to, because it definitely seems like we are. But anyway, on this, you're not. So guys, greater control comes from the Edifier Home app. You can adjust settings, you can update firmware, and even, like I said before, you can pair two MS50A speakers up for stereo sound. And imagine that immersive experience of true stereo in any room. The MS50A, like I said, also supports Tidal Connect. This means that you audiophiles can enjoy lossless music in the best quality possible, which is all driven from an AP6265 chip, AMP and DSP technology. And if you want to know what all of that is, if you don't know already, leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to explain it. But this combination creates a powerful tweeter and woofer setup without distortion. You're getting clear, crisp sound even at higher volumes. And also guys, the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity is worth mentioning too. It offers faster transmission and lower battery consumption. You'll experience less interference and a more stable connection. And guys, one of the coolest features is the multi-room functionality. Like I said, with Apple AirPlay, Amazon Alexa or Spotify, grouping those MS50A speakers creates a synchronized music system throughout your entire home. It's perfect for parties or just for enjoying your tunes as you move from room to room. And guys, to add to this intuitive nature, you get a bunch of LED indicator lights to let you know what's happening at any time. You get a white light to let you know that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Blue indicates a Bluetooth connection. You know what? It's a simple way to know how you're connected at a glance. And guys, the MS50A isn't just for music. You can use it for podcasts, news and audiobooks too. It's compatible with various streaming services, as I said, and whether you're an iPhone, iPad, iMac or Android device, you are covered. And guys, those touch controls on the MS50A are pretty nice. Moving your finger clockwise or counterclockwise adjusts the volume. Tapping the previous or next icon switches songs. The lower icon pauses and plays music, and a short press on the middle button mutes the speaker. It's a perfect blend of style, sound quality and smart features. Whether you're an audiophile, a tech enthusiast or just somebody who loves good music, this speaker has something for you. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab one of these bad boys for just £129.99, which I've got to say is well worth it. Like I said, to me, it sounds better than my Sonos. So yeah, I'm going to be keeping this. But guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. And thanks to Edifier for sending me this very capable smart speaker to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.